Yo, what's up? Today I want to talk about, I just want to do, I just do weird stuff because I'm crazy like that. So, I bought this thing, all right, because I have health issues, so I have to kind of keep track of stuff, and I have this really, really high sensitivity to medications, so I want to keep track of oxygen and all that other stuff. So I gotta buy things just to keep track of these little things. I have like blood pressure sensors and monitors all over the house. Again, just to keep track of stuff. So I bought this in hopes that it would, I could wear it because I don't wear jewelry. I absolutely can't stand jewelry. I don't wear them. I don't like them. And it also has to do with my I'm an electronic technician, engineer, whatever the hell you want to call them people. That's just my feel. I'm all about electronics. So when you're in electronics, you really can't wear jewelry anyways. So I tend to not wear jewelry. Hence where this thing comes in. This is, I don't know if it's metal, aluminum, plastic. So this you can kind of wear around electronics. Again, because it's also electronic itself. So I figured, well, let me try it out. Again, because I need the sensor and capabilities in the ring because of my health issues. So I bought this thing. But let's first go over some of the things. And which ring it is? It's the Samsung Galaxy ring. All right, that's the one I got. Why I didn't get the Aura is I have Galaxy products all over my house. That's just the thing I have. I have Android. I have a lot of Android products. I have Apple too, so it's not just Galaxy. I just don't like. I'm not a fan of Apple products. Sorry, there I said it. Not a fan. They were really good in the beginning, and they just kind of just fell straight off a cliff. So I'm not a fan of it. So I'm still not quite a fan of Samsung either, but I really like Android. And Samsung makes some of the best Android devices, along with the Pixels. The Pixel line finally got good after the Pixel 8. Sorry, 7. The Pixel 7 is when they got really good. You know what? I'm lying. The Pixel 4 is when they got really good. All right? They fell off on the 5. I'm not sure why they changed the design so bad. The Pixel 4 was really good. Pixel 5 was horrible. 6 and then 7, they kind of came back up again. And then 8 and 9 is really good lines. So, again, so I have a Pixel 8. I have Galaxy devices around my house. Those are the ones I like. Alright. And the Samsung, this is a box that came in. There's nothing in here. It's just an empty box. Like anybody really cares. Anyways, we tend to dump these things. I just kept it because... The reason why I kept it because I have to take it back. Unfortunately, on my finger, I can't wear it. This is just me. Do not attempt to think I'm bashing this ring. I'm not bashing this ring, and I'm going to show you what I mean by I'm not bashing this ring. This is just me. Alright. So, and it's me and there's a design flaw with this ring. So there's two things going on. All right. So around my finger, it is the right size. So I don't think I got the wrong size. It's the right size ring because you can measure it before you even buy the thing. You can't even order it without measuring the right ring. And I did get the right one, and I explain some more. So, what's going on is right in here. I'm gonna try to get that point. So right in here, right in here, my finger. I don't think this thing will ever focus. Let me try to get you some light on this subject. So right in here, this thing to focus. So right in here, okay. There's a nice line and a crease right in here on my finger. Alright, and then the reason why it's doing this is, you see how your finger kind of goes, let me relax it. So if you relax your hand, you see how it goes straight down, right? And then it kind of curves. When you straighten up your finger, You see how it goes and then kind of stiffen up right in this point here? Well, the ring don't account for this. If you look on this side of your finger, see it nice and straight? Relax it. See how it comes nice and straight down here? Kind of goes on a little, come straight, kind of, you know, forward with the finger. But when you stretch it or tense the finger, see how it's no longer as nice and straight like the rest other side of your hand. So the ring don't account for this change. If I can even show it to you, you can do it with your own hand. Take your hand and just flex it like this, and you'll actually see the change just right in here. And only finger that don't do it is this one and this one. This one is not as bad, but it actually on this finger it does it. It do it on this side, not this side. This finger do it on this side, but not this side. So they don't account for that. I think you can see it right there. See it? See how the tendon in your finger kind of just stretches right in here. The ring don't account for that stretch. Okay, see it? I'm pretty sure you can see it there. All right, the ring don't account for this stretch. So what's going on is when I wear the ring, and it's on my finger, these bumps on the inside, because you have to wear it pretty much. Which this little bump here have to be kind of pointing down, so you have to wear the bump like that. All right, it spins around all the time, but it kind of don't matter. That's how they want you to wear the ring. This is where the sensors are. This is pretty much where all the blood flow kind of flows through your finger, right? There's nothing goes to the back of your hand. Pretty much all of it comes through here. So it's just so they kind of want to read. They want to get most of the reading from underneath your palm. Makes sense. All right. Now, what's going on is when you tend to do stuff with your hand, or flex or stretch or whatever the hell it is, or just naturally, where these bumps, if you ever look at the ring, and I'm trying to show it to you, see these little bumps, these little ridges here, and just the design, also just the natural design of the ring, okay, it literally feels like it's cutting right in there on my finger. All right, it just feels like it's cutting, and my finger hurts so bad, and it was red, like totally red this morning when I took it off. It's just a design flaw in the ring. I can't wear it. It's very, very painful to wear it. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take it back because I physically it's so painful. It's so bad. My finger started to get numb. That's how painful it was. And I was trying to see if I could keep wearing it. So hopefully it would not hurt. But it's just me. People wear these things all the time and they don't have problems. But because I don't wear jewelry, I never got accustomed to wearing rings. And then on top of all of it, there's bumps on the inside of this thing. And then the design of the ring is not comfortable. Okay? It's very, very sharp. When you wash your hands, oh my goodness, you will feel how uncomfortable this thing is to wear. The ridges are just it's just a design flaw. So I think if they redesign the ring to be more comfortable to wear, I'll try it again. And I'll definitely go out and try it again. But the ring itself, take the design flaw out of it. This thing is awesome. Okay. Let me say that again. If you minus the design flaw, this thing is awesome. It tracks oxygen level. It tracks sleep. It tracks heart rate. Coupled with your watch, it makes your readings even that more accurate. It's just awesome. So if you're looking for stuff to track stats, again, it's by no means a medical device. It's just to give you a rough estimate, a rough idea. And that's technically what you're looking for, something just to give you rough ideas of what your health is like, what your health look like for the day. Are you going back or forth? Are you technically somewhere in the norm? Is that, and that's what these are for. These things just give you a readout of what my health look like every single day. So that if something goes off, you can go, hey, look, I might need to go to the doctor. And that's what this does. And this Again, say coupled with your watch. Top notch. A plus Samsung, A plus. But I'm gonna take some marks off. I'm gonna give you a B plus, because the design of this ring is very, very uncomfortable. I personally can't wear it long. I don't know how much people can actually wear this thing very long. And I'm for anybody who can wear this a very long time, awesome. Kudos to you. I'm rooting for you. I'm not envious, not even the slightest. But I personally cannot wear this very long. It's just who I am. My body's very sensitive to changes and stuff like that. So this was never made for me. But for everybody else who can wear jewelry, because again, I started the video, I said I don't wear jewelry and I can't wear jewelry. But because this is an electronic device, and because this is an electronic device, I just wanted to do it. That's why I bought this ring. Alright, don't wear rings. And that's why I bought it, because it's an electronic device. And I love electronics. Alright, but that being said, it's got to go back to the store, unfortunately. But I will definitely try again, Samsung, when you come out with another one. Hopefully you fix that design flaw. Make sure you account, at least try to account for this, and make it more comfortable to wear, please. Because when you have this ring on, like, when you have this thing on, all right, and you wash your hands, oh my goodness, dude, it's very uncomfortable. All right, it feels like you're rubbing your hand against a knife. It feels like it. That's how it feels. It feels like you're rubbing against something sharp. And I went to the store to check the Aria ring, and it's just as uncomfortable. So Samsung didn't do anything bad. It's just, I don't know what these designers are doing, because the Aria ring is just as uncomfortable as this Samsung ring. So yeah, Samsung didn't do anything out of the ordinary. Or Aria doing the same thing. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just want to make that point very clear. Aria ring is just, actually, this ring is more comfortable than the Aria ring. That's to show you, because at least Samsung edges. The Samsung edges right here. All right, so let me explain. So on the Aria ring, there's a sharp point right on the side here, because I took the ring and I actually rubbed my hand against it, and it feels like a very sharp edge. I don't know if it's just the demo model, but the demo model has a sharp edge right around the side here, and the Samsung don't have that sharp edge. The Samsung sharp edge is at the very, very top. All right, just right up here, there's a very sharp edge. And like I said, when you have it on and you're washing your hands, it literally feels like you're rubbing your hand against something like really sharp, and it's very, very painful to wash your hands with this thing on. All right, and I'm not gonna take it off just to wash my hands. I want to keep it clean, so yes, I'm gonna wash my hands with it. If you're gonna take this off and wash your hands, you are nutso. Keep it on, wash your hands with it, keep it clean, because you have it on all the time. So if your hand's dirty, this is dirty, and you want to get it clean. And that's why I wash my hands with it, and it's very painful. All right. So I'm gonna conclude it with Samsung again. If you fix the design, I'll definitely try again. But for right now, I can't wear it because it really, 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 really hurts my hand right here, and I can't keep wearing it, and I really, really like it, but unfortunately I gotta take it back to the store. All right, peace.